Hello, I'm James Clark from the Department of Physiology at King's College London, and in this very brief tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up an online teaching session and invite your students through Microsoft Teams. The first thing you need to do is go to Office Online at outlook.office.com and log in with your King's credentials. Many of you use this already to check your email from home. Once you're logged in, click on your Calendar tab. It's worth noting you do not have to be a member of a team, and you do not need to have a team set up with all your students or colleagues enrolled in order to run a team-led teaching event. Once you're logged into your calendar, click on the New Event icon on the top left-hand side. When you click on this, you are then able to enter the lecture information you wish to send to your students. For example, I'm going to call this Test Lecture. In order to make sure this is a Microsoft Teams event, instead of entering a room or a location in the Room Location option, click on the Add Online Meeting and select Teams Meeting. Make sure the date and the times are correct. And once you're happy with this, enter Save. You'll see it's created an item in your calendar, and you can use the calendar reminders to remind you that this is happening should you wish to. If you now click on this new appointment in your calendar, you will see that it has a Teams icon with the words Join Teams Meeting next to it. If you hold your mouse over this, right-click and choose Copy Link, the link to your Teams meeting is now copied to your paste buffer. You can now paste this URL onto Keats to allow students to click on the link to attend the meeting at the correct time and add any notes you might want to for the students' attention. Alternatively, you could email the link to a select group of students, for instance a tutor group, in order to invite them to this session. It's worth remembering that there is a limit of 250 attendees at any Teams meeting. Once you've set up your meeting and invited your students, you may want to watch the next tutorial, which will guide you through the steps in order to deliver your lecture through Microsoft Teams.